So starting my video again, we went through all the icons that we have installed here, and it's quite a few icons, 100 plus 30 icons, 20 surfing icons, but also other third-party, not for me, up here, white sur, and so on and so on. Let's start at the top again, like so, and there is an application that we have on our repo called sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux icon-themes-fixer-git. If we install that, it's going to have a look at all the major icon themes that it's gonna change, like Faba, Mocha, Arc, Quogir, Tala, and stuff like that. So it's gonna go over the things that are here that are important, Plasma, and it's gonna change it. It's gonna change the inherit. That's it. The inherit line will include surfing. So surfing icon is gonna be a backup. It's the same thing that I've explained in so many videos. Guys, use the power of inherit, but we don't, because it's tedious. It's no fun to go change every single time, and then the updates come in and everything is again broken, right? So it's all taken care of. Surfing is in there. If updates come in, surfing is back in there. So that's the ArcoLinux icon themes fixer. It's gonna fix things, and fun. If you remove it, right, it's gonna set everything straight again. It's gonna make sure that whatever we've changed is back as it was. So that's interesting to know. And then, if it's installed, what changed now? Let's have a look. So some of the icons in the previous video were missing things. Now Adwaita and GNOME are the exceptions here, right? These are just kind of backup kind of things. But we made sure already that our ArcoLinux stuff has a nice icon, even on Adwaita. Arc. All icons are looking good. No missing icons in XFC settings. These will always be good. So we're gonna focus on what's in here. That's good. We've created ButterFS assistant. Breeze had some things missing. So thanks to our coding, well, thanks to or because of, right? It just depends how you look at it, but everything will have an icon. If the guys at Breeze at Plasma have don't know about an application, have not created an icon for it, well, surfing is there to change the icon for it. So that's something that has been taken care of. Breeze Dark, the same icons that were missing. ePapyrus, all icons present. Faba, icons present. All icons are there. And it really doesn't matter if it's, I mean, it's a mixture of elements, right? Whatever is missing, whatever flat remix does not create, surfing is there to catch the things that are not available, and that's the point. So all the flat remixes are okay. Hello, all okay. Hello dark, all okay. High contrast, fine. La Capitaine, fine. Mocha, nothing missing here. So we're looking at these icons, the bunch of icons that are there. Obsidian, all fine. Oops, that's my mistake. And then scrolling down, lots of Obsidian. They'll all be okay. Obsidian. Orangella. So all icons present. Orangella. Okay, check. Paper, nothing missing, right? I believe we had one missing in here. Paper fixed. Papyrus, okay, cool, looking good. Quogir, nothing missing there. And of course all the others are the same. Sardi all the way down, that's always gonna be okay since I'm the developer. Tala circle, that's okay. That's okay, it's okay. Altera circles, Vimix, all icons present and accounted. All Vimix stuff, start here again. All good icons, nice icons. White sur. Voila, we have no icons missing. So this is my trick to not bother with it anymore, right? PS, I'm on left WM, right? Don't choose many icons, only the ones mostly that are in our tuner, that we see in our tuner, right? Nevertheless, XFC is there, of course, as default on ArcoLinux XL. And what was I going to say? You can remove it as well. So if you say, not for me, fine, no problem. ArcoLinux, and then icon theme, that's the name. You either install it or remove it. It's gonna take a look at this exactly the same files and folders. It's gonna change everything back to the original state. So it's changing the inherit line, plus it's creating the GTK update icon cache, and that's the longest thing, right? It really needs to set everything back. And so I've said, be patient. So as a result, if that's done, and we go to appearance, some of our icon themes again will show these gaps, right? We will show these elements, these icons that are not available. Down here always in XFCE, and probably in Mate and Cinnamon alike. So Plasma, for example, is one of these examples. Plasma is Breeze. So broken, 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 broken again. Okay. Tant pis, they say in French, right? This is just the one. But then again, it's not really up to specs in that area there. But again, on a tiling window manager, you wouldn't see the menu ever. So, doesn't matter. So, some of these guys will have missing things again, because of the fact that this is gone. And these icons do not know what it is. These guys are almost, well, still one here, it's Mocha. These are okay, I guess. Obsidian, Orancello, looking okay. Papyrus was one missing, I guess. No, paper. Paper was one missing. This one. And Papyrus is okay. Darker. This guy. Gear. Cool. And Sardian Surfen. Down here. White Sur. Looking okay. 10. Fine. Vimix. Nothing missing. Although these guys, I'm not sure if that's intended or not. Maybe it is, because USB. So voila, that's what I suggest you do if you have icons that you say, oh my god, right? Then installing this little package is something you can do, and basically it creates a fallback. It's gonna create Surfen as a fallback, and hopefully you'll have less of these icons that are missing in your favorite choice of icon. Please be patient. And when that's finished, I'm finished. All right, cheers.